Manipur's Weaver W.Shaya Devi, who was honored with the Sant Kabir Award 2023, a prestigious recognition given to outstanding weavers across India, is the only artisan from the northeast to receive this award this year. Born in 1967 in Wangkai Laurembam Laikai, Imphal East District, Shaya has dedicated over 40 years to the art of weaving. Expressing her overwhelming joy, Shaya said, "No words can define my happiness. Seeing my name on the Sant Kabir Award list is incredibly emotional. The hardships and challenges I have faced are now compensated by this recognition. It is a moment of motivation and encouragement." Shaya is renowned for her traditional Manipuri shawls or inafi, which she crafts with both traditional and with original designs. "While I sometimes replicate age-old designs with historical significance, I also introduce many of my own motifs," she explained. Her creations include designs like Shatra, Piruk, Sarong, Tomtil Siroi Lili, Chaubi Mapal, and Kundo, all inspired by Manipuri culture and tradition. Her dedication to preserving the handloom heritage has already been acknowledged with previous state merit certificates and national awards. Shaya's selection as the second recipient of the Sant Kabir Award from Manipur reflects her unwavering commitment to her craft. "In my first attempt, I wasn't selected, but I remained hopeful and confident that I would be recognized this time," she added. Shaya, who weaves designs such as Ngatokpa P, Sarong P, and Koi Charong Inapi, faced significant challenges due to the ongoing conflict affecting her economy. Despite these difficulties, she managed to support her workers and maintain her operations. "Weaving may not be highly profitable, but many women in the state rely on it as their primary occupation," Shaya noted. She expressed a strong desire to provide financial support to genuine weavers in Manipur.